Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiana and I'm here with my mom.
Hi everyone.
Okay, so today we're going to be trying the Nature Box, all the different snacks they have. Alright, which one do you want to try first?
Wow, look at all those goodies. I would like to try the chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, so we're going to be trying the chocolate chip. This is how it looks. Sweet and crispy. I didn't put salt on it.
Yeah, it's crunchy. It's delicious. I like it with some milk. Very tasty.
Too healthy.
Very good. Flavorful. I like that one.
And next I'm going to try the sriracha cashews.
This one,
It's sweet and spicy kettle cooked.
very spicy.
Cashews.
Yeah,
sriracha.
I feel the heat on my tongue. But it's good though. It's not overpowering, but it's good.
If you're trying to be like healthy for the new year, you should definitely get the Nature
Very
Box.
good. But I feel the heat
It's
on my
hot.
tongue. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ooh, I need some water. Can anyone get me some water? Oh my god.
We should have poured some water.
Exactly, right? Oh my goodness. Wow. Goodness gracious.
Oh my god.
Woo. Okay.
Kathleen, can you pass us that water there,
Please,
please?
thank you. Our mouth is on fire. Woo, good but spicy.
Okay, next will be the crispy snickerdoodles. Oh yeah, the spice is still in my mouth. This one's good. I taste the cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's a cinnamony goodness.
Very good. I like this one. Wow, very nice.
This one is my favorite so far. What's your favorite so far?
So far will be the chocolate chip cookies. I could
Mine is
dump
the
them in some
cinnamon.
milk. Yum, yum, yum.
Next they have vanilla cookies.
Banana.
These are cute.
Cute. A little bland, but
Yeah,
it's
bland.
okay. Yeah, I can't really taste the flavor from this. It's like I'm tasting basically my palate.
It is bland.
It's bland.
Okay. The Big Island pineapples.
Yummy,
I know
yummy,
my
yummy.
mom will like this one.
Ooh, yes, yes, yes.
She really like this one. Oh, and this one they put reusable. So
I
we
love
could
pineapple.
open it
I'm a
and throw it.
tropical girl.
Yeah, it's tropical girl. Oh my god, it's big.
Wow, oh my goodness.
It's thick.
Ooh.
Ugh. I don't think I want to try this one.
I will. How about I try? You can hold it up. Let's see.
Oh, it's okay.
Soft.
Yeah, it's
I thought it was hard, but it's very soft. It's chewy. It's not like you're chewing a gummy bear, but it's good.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's good. Tastes like pineapple. It is pineapple.
It's good. I'll eat these.
And it's healthy. It's very good for you. And it's also full of potassium, which is very good for you. Heart healthy. Very good.
So they say.
Yeah, it is. You need potassium to regulate your heart. Did you know that? Who doesn't know that?
Oh my god.
Okay,
Okay. So first,
here we go.
This will be my #1 favorite. And then this is the pineapple. Mini peanut butter oatmeal cookies. They put so much cookies in here.
Wow, yeah.
She's still chewing that. Oh,
Oh, it's a mini cookie. Wow. Oh my goodness. It smells like a Reese's peanut butter cup.
I don't taste like
wow,
peanut
but
butter
I
cup.
love Reese's. This smells, well, let's put it to the test. It smells like it, but let's put it to the test and we'll see. All right, let me swallow this last
Oh
pineapple.
my god.
Look at my palate.
Palate.
Yeah, on my tongue. Oh my goodness.
It's okay.
She doesn't like it, but I like it because I love peanut butter and I love Reese's. And it tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Yeah, it does. Very good. Yes.
Alright, this is the last one, Mom.
God, this is heaven.
Ew, this is aged. Aged cheddar lentil loops.
The more age, the better. The more better it is for you.
Ew, this one's gonna look nasty.
It looks nasty, but I'm sure it tastes probably pretty good. Can I smell it?
Don't smell it, make you want to throw up.
Ooh, funky. Yay.
I'm not trying this one. Just try it.
Wow.
Which is nice.
I like the flavors. Let me tell you what this tastes
I never
like.
had aged
This
chips.
tastes like, what's the name of this? Lentil?
Yeah.
I mean, you taste the cheddar, but it kind of tastes to me like when I eat that onion ring. It's not an onion ring, but it tastes, it's cheddar, but I taste a little bit of onion on there. Maybe there's onion in the ingredients, but for me, I like it. It tastes nice. I like it.
It's just bland.
It's very light, but I like it. It's good.
What's your favorite one out of all of these?
Out of each and every one of these, my favorite
pineapple
one, I love the pineapple, but also I love the chocolate chip. Where's the chocolate chip?
This one, it tastes like peanut butter Reese's cup.
Yes, and because I'm a chocolate lover and I love a Reese's Pieces chocolate cup, this one is my favorite. Yeah, with some milk, I'm good to go.
I don't know why you're talking like that. But my favorite is the crispy snickerdoodles. I'm not a hater.
Yeah.
The crispy snickerdoodles because I love oatmeal. I don't eat like
really
porridge oatmeal, but like
when she was 2 years old, I was like, Mom,
oh my god.
not give me no more oatmeal.
I meant like
and she still does not eat oatmeal.
I eat oatmeal cookies and oatmeal cinnamon flavored
but
things,
not porridge.
but not the porridge.
Okay.
No, oatmeal cookies I eat. So this is my favorite.
Yeah.
So I would recommend getting this one.
And I recommend you getting the Reese's. Actually, it's not Reese's, but it is the peanut butter oatmeal cookies, which is very healthy for you.
And then I will get the Big Island pineapple. Even though it stinks when you first open it,
it's good.
it's good.
Good. Very good.
And then you can go to naturebox.com and order any of these. You can get the whole box or any individual chips or whatever one you feel like getting. Okay, so that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Okay, goodbye everyone. It was a pleasure being here with my daughter.
And thank you guys for supporting me.